Hello and welcome back to another video in our series on Windows 11. In this video I'm going to be going over the multiple desktops and how to use the multiple desktops. So for those of you who do not know, the multiple desktops is right down here. It's this little gray and white icon that if you click on that you can see that you have an option for a new desktop. This essentially makes it to where you can have multiple monitors hooked up to one machine without actually having multiple monitors, and it works essentially the same way. So let me explain what this is. In this window, our main window, I'm going to open up this first PDF, and as you can see it opens up here. But let's say that we not only have this open, but we have some other stuff open, like for instance this new folder, we have this opened here, and we don't want to change anything on here, but we want a new desktop. So we don't want to remove anything that we have up and working on, we just want to start a new desktop and save this for a later time. Well, we can just go right down here to our new desktop. We can create a new desktop, and as you can see we have desktop 1 and desktop 2. If we select desktop 2, we now have a clean desktop, just like we would have if we had multiple monitors hooked up. And we can go ahead and open up that second PDF, and now we can see that we have that PDF opened as well. Now, the downside of this is that not only does it mimic having two monitors, but it also acts the same way if you open up a folder that is currently opened on the other screen. Now, this has been updated since my last video, and if you open up a folder that is on the other screen, it will actually jump to the previous screen. So for instance, we opened up the new folder and it jumps straight back to monitor 1 or desktop 1. If you notice, desktop 2 is right here with the PDF over to the side. We open up the folder and it jumps back to our first desktop with the PDF closer to the middle. Now previously in the original Windows 11 release, this was an issue to where it did not jump to the previous monitor, it just stayed on desktop 2 instead of jumping over to desktop 1 where the folder was open. So yes, this has been improved and it's a nicer function now, it's more usable, but please keep that in mind that if you are going to be opening up a folder that is currently opened in another window, it's going to jump to that window or that desktop. Alright, thank you very much. I hope that this has helped you out. If it has, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.